So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MOU Agricultural Engineering once again. In one of our previous videos, we had shown you how to make mounts or heaps using the manual method. Here on Focus today, we are showing you how ridges are being made using manual method. Precisely making use of the local hoe. Remember, this kind of hoe, as you can see him handling it, is denizen to the Tiv people of Benue State. There is a wooden handle and then there is a metallic blade. This is a skill. No wonder they say agriculture is a science as well as an art. So you can see what this very operation he's doing at a go is a combination of both plowing, harrowing, and then ridging. It's so magnificent how the human being is able to combine all of these operations. You can see the very first one takes some very heavy clouds. The second one kind of like takes ones from a little bits below, breaking them up, and then just giving some finishing touches to it at the top. You can see him very carefully ensuring that he buries all the plant debris into the ground, so all that decay, decompose, and constitutes a very rich source of manure for the ground, in the ground for the crop. So it's basically teamwork. As one side is being closed, the other is being opened. Here you see a smaller size of hole being used, but the skill is basically the same. It's a very much structured pattern, one in which they learn and grow into. So he can be up here doing it, and at any point in time along the ridge, the other person can comfortably continue, and you have a finished masterpiece at the end of the day. Beautiful operations. You can see in between the furrow. Very beautiful operation and fine finish. Yeah, you can see it's ending where the other person started. Yeah, ensuring all the grasses are properly covered. They are very careful to watch their legs. Taking off and away anything that cannot be covered. The finishing is always very critical and a very important step. You can see. Beautiful. Let's see other ones that have been done. So ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned to MOU Agricultural Engineering for more of such wonderful videos.